Hi there, traders. This is Brad Gilbert with the FX Market Insight for Tuesday, the 14th of July. All right, now as we come into the sort of start of Tuesday in the Asian session, US equity markets pretty neutral, right? I know that Nasdaq got a bit touched up, but outside of that, the Dow Jones was pretty flat. And the major pairs, there's a little bit going on here on the charts. Now, I just want to show you a couple of things, right? So the the Aussie finally, like a lot of these short-term rallies in the Aussie, in the Kiwi, Euro, Sterling as well. We're looking a bit fatigued last week, and it looked like that could go either way, whether the US dollar was going to rally or fall. And what we've seen across the board here is a bit of dollar strength, except for Euro, which has bucked the trend. Dollar CAD's higher, oil's coming back, and dollar yen back into the range there as well. So a bit of dollar strength. But when you come back and isolate that, okay, if I just come back to this sort of dollar page and you're looking at the dollar index, you know what? It's really not doing a hell of a lot at all. And I know that's because the imbalance of the basket is Euro is, say, 58% of the basket. The other pairs don't sort of do a hell of a lot for it. So the dollar index, well, the dollar itself right now, it's not very clear if it's the dollar moving or not. To me, these positions, these moves in the major pairs just at the moment, they are just a flush out of like dead board weightings, right? So as in like the market's been residually long Aussie, Kiwi, Sterling's doing its own thing, but it's just a flush out of the positions. I don't think there's a real moves yet, and it's too early in the week to confirm that. So just keep an eye on that as we go forward. Outside of that, there's not a lot going on. Cheerio.